Alright guys, we're at Hung Vung English Center. I've been teaching here for the past 2 weeks, various classes from kindergarten age up to teenagers and adults. Today, some of the office administration are going to teach us some Vietnamese. So we're going to look forward to it.
Guava?
What do you got there, man?
Guava.
Guava.
You want some?
Guava. It's actually good to have guava here with chili. Nice. Class today, learning Vietnamese.
Ngày mai.
Ngày mai.
Yes, okay. Hôm qua.
Hôm qua.
Today is mean hôm nay.
Hôm nay. So Vietnamese class was pretty awesome today, and we learned a few things, didn't we? What did you learn?
Bowser.
Oh yeah.
What? What's that?
Yesterday.
Yesterday. Good stuff. Xin chào, hello. A few other words. I still need to memorize it. My Vietnamese is not that good. Doi Den La, DJ Wizenz. So basically what I just said is Xin chào, hello. Doi Den La, my name is DJ Wizenz. Anyway guys, we're having a bit of a walk to a cafe and might even try some of my Vietnamese ordering. So learning Vietnamese for me is not too bad. There's a few similar pronunciation words to Māori words. Xin chào.
Chào.
The
Chơi đâu đây?
thing that really gets me with the language is it's got about 6 different tones. So one word like dua will mean pineapple, and if you go up like dua might mean mango. If you go down dua, it might mean coconut. So one word could mean like 4 different words. Yeah, and once you know what the tones are and how they work, then I think it's a little bit better. Anyway, I think we're at a cafe called Moscow. I think it's Russian. Moscow's Russian. Alrighty. Alright, it's a cafe. Alright guys, check that out. Blueberry smoothie with a bit of chocolate kind of topping. And yeah man, everyone else has got something as well. Yogurts around and smoothies. Alright guys, we're back at the homestay. Time for some lunch, bit of a rest. Alright, lunch is up.
Okay.
Nice hanging out with you guys. Thank you, Jackson.
Welcome.
Good to meet you.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you for all your help.
Thank you, Eddie. You superstar.
Hey,
Thank you, man.
Yeah.
Eddie. Corky, all the best, eh? See you
too.
guys
Hopefully
sometime.
we'll see you.
Nepal.
Yeah, definitely.
Nepal.
Yeah.
See you somewhere.
Alright guys, we just got dropped off by the taxi at the train station here in Phu Tho. Now one interesting thing that happened was taxi driver went around the long way. I always have my map on my app, my map app, to make sure I know where I'm going so that no one rips us off. So the taxi driver actually went around the long way. Now the taxi fare should have been about 25,000 dong, which is a couple of dollars, I know, but it's about the principle. Instead it came to around 35,000 and he went the long way around. So I said to him, no, I'm only paying 25,000. And he knew he cheated us, and basically he He let us have it for 25,000, but I mean, you've just got to be wary when you're traveling around Southeast Asia and some of these countries of the people, the hustlers, the drivers, the street vendors. They will do this to you, so just be wary, guys. Anyway, guys, we're here at the train station in Phu Tho. We are heading to Hanoi. We're there for a night, and then we're heading down to Ninh Binh. We're working on a project this weekend down in Ninh Binh, so it's my first time actually going on a train in Southeast Asia. I'm not sure what condition the train is at, but I think we've got a nice soft chair. As long as I get a nice soft chair for the backside, all good in the hood. Anyway, guys, I've just got me a water and an ice cream for like $1. About 50 cents for the water and 30 cents for the ice cream. I know it sounds unbelievable, but it is so cheap here. Stuff is very, very cheap. The local dogs in the vlog. Anyway, heading back to the train station. Gonna catch the train. Hopefully we can catch some good sunset vibes on the train as we head back to Hanoi. Well, guys, we made it onto the train, and not bad seats. They're kind of soft. It's about $3 on the train for a 3-hour train ride to Hanoi. Hopefully we can see some good vibey views on the way. So this is like our third stop now. I think it's another 2 more hours till we get to Hanoi, and hopefully we can get some dinner. The sun has set, but that's all good in the hood. We managed to get some good shots of the sun, but I'm looking forward to this weekend. We've got a good jam-packed weekend heading to Ninh Binh, doing some filming and some videoing for a travel agency, and yeah, checking out the vibes there. I've never been to Ninh Binh, and I heard it's one of the best places to go and check out some of the awesome pagodas and try some of the food. Alright guys, so we've just left the train. We've come across Long Bang Bridge, which is near the old quarter. We are heading to our accommodation in the old quarter. Go back to the kebab place because I'm hungry for a kebab. If you remember in my vlogs last year, I walked across Long Bang Bridge. It was about I think about a 45-minute walk across. Anyway guys, we're back in the old quarter, Hanoi. So we are back into the Hanoi madness. As you can see, we're heading to our accommodation and go grab a kebab. What did you think of the train ride, bro?
Yeah, nice.
It's good, eh? Nice and smooth, cheap. Only about $3. Highly recommend getting the first class train if you ever do. Nice soft seats, good for the bump. Anyway, I'm hungry. We're off to the kebab place and to our accommodation. Thank you. Yum. This is only like $1.20 New Zealand. Vegetarian kebab. The meat kebabs are about, I think, just under $2. Still very, very cheap. You cannot get this back in New Zealand. Dinner time. Bye bye. Bye bye. Thank you. See you again next time. Come back. Alright guys, we're off. We've had our kebabs. Now heading to the accommodation. They've blocked off the roads here in the old quarter for the weekend. Friday, Saturday, Sundays, they block it all off, which is pretty cool. Bit of a market going on right here in the heart of the old quarter. This is Ma Mei Street, very popular for hotels, hostels, guest houses, restaurants, all sorts of stuff here. There you go, guys. Hope you have enjoyed today's adventures, especially on that train ride. Very smooth ride coming from Phu Tho. We are in Hanoi. Tomorrow we are heading south to Ninh Binh. I've never been there before, but they have some awesome temples, pagodas, and some caves. We're going to go and check those out over the next couple of days. And yeah, looking forward to it. Anyway, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. See you guys on the next video. Experience the journey. Inspire others. Live life, guys.